Expert in matching fonts and colors in PDF. We often need to edit PDF, but we struggle with the right font color, etc. Many people look for expert in matching fonts and colors in PDF service. Because the most difficult task while editing PDF is to match exact font and color. At Nur Digital Agency, we provide professional PDF editing service. If you are looking for an expert in matching fonts and colors in PDF, then you have come to the right place. In this video, we have shown how we perfectly match the text, font, color, and formatting of a PDF document without damaging the original look. Because just editing text does not give professional results, maintaining exact font matching and accurate color balance is the real skill. Many editors can edit PDF, but not all are expert in matching fonts and colors in PDF. And this is why the edited file often looks fake or unrealistic. Nur Digital Agency's experienced team works with high accuracy. We carefully analyze each document so that the font style, spacing, size and color are exactly like the original. So if you need invoice, scan document, form or business PDF editing, then we are ready to help as an expert in matching fonts and colors in PDF. In this video you will see live editing example where professional editing is shown by maintaining same font and same color. Advantages of our service: exact font matching, accurate color matching, realistic PDF editing, fast delivery, professional support. Many clients now trust us because we truly provide expert in matching fonts and colors in PDF service with professional quality. So if you are still searching for an expert in matching fonts and colors in PDF, Nur Digital Agency is always ready to provide professional PDF editing solutions. Message us today and get your PDF edited professionally. Visit Nur.com or contact us directly via WhatsApp and Telegram.